So in my previous video, I talked about the OnePlus 13, which is launching in the Chinese market on October 31st. But just a day before its launch, iQOO is launching its flagship phone in China, the iQOO 13. We now have not just the official launch date, but also the images and videos of the phone which were shared by the company. So in this video, let us talk about the upcoming iQOO 13, which is a solid contender to be the flagship killer of 2025. Starting with the design first, the iQOO 13 does not look a lot different than the iQOO 12. If you compare the two phones side by side, you will see that the camera module design is similar and so is the placement in the top left corner. But while the iQOO 12 had the LED flash outside the camera module, the iQOO 13 has it inside the camera module. And the reason for this is the lack of a periscope telephoto camera on the iQOO 13. This is also a big downgrade because while the iQOO 12 had a periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, the iQOO 13 is said to have a 2x telephoto camera. Apart from the placement of the LED flash, another difference is the presence of RGB light on the iQOO 13. So the camera module has this RGB light, which I think looks cool. The frame is made of metal and this is pretty evident from the antenna lines. As for the front design, we already know that there is a flat display on the front with very slim and symmetrical bezels around it. And well, that is all about the design of the iQOO 13. As for the specifications, we know that the phone has Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which was recently announced, and this chipset offers some big performance improvements over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, such as a 4.32 GHz Orion CPU, Adreno 830 GPU, 3nm process and more. Apart from the performance, the battery on this phone is ridiculous. It has a massive 6150 mAh battery and the phone supports 120 watt fast charging as well. The display on the front is using a Q10 OLED panel from BOE, and this is an LTPO panel with a Quad HD Plus resolution. Finally, in terms of cameras, it is reported that all the three cameras on the back use a 50 megapixel sensor, and as I already mentioned, the telephoto camera offers a 2x optical zoom. And well, that is all we know about the iQOO 13 so far. The phone is also launching in the Indian market soon, and as per the rumors, the launch in India is happening in December. As we know, iQOO phones generally offer the best possible performance for the price, so we won't be surprised if the iQOO 13 is launching in India under 60,000 rupees. So, what do you think of the design and the specifications? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.